Hey, Trailblazers! Did you know that stock options can provide a way to earn profits regardless of market direction? Stock options are a powerful tool for enhancing your trading strategy, allowing you to leverage your investments, hedge against market fluctuations, and generate income. Today, we're diving into the world of stock options, a versatile and dynamic aspect of the stock market that can open up numerous opportunities for savvy investors. If you're curious about how to leverage options to maximize your returns, this video is for you. Traditional stock trading can be limiting, especially during market downturns. Many investors feel stuck, unable to capitalize on falling stock prices or protect their investments from volatility. Stock options offer a versatile solution, allowing you to profit from any market condition, hedge your positions, and implement sophisticated trading strategies. Options provide leverage, which can amplify returns while using less capital than traditional stock trading. However, the complexity of options can be intimidating for beginners, with terms like calls, puts, strike prices, and expiration dates making the learning curve steep. Understanding these elements is crucial to harnessing the full potential of options trading. But what if I told you that with the right knowledge and strategies, you can confidently navigate the world of options trading and unlock its full potential? Stick around, because the insights we're about to share could transform your trading approach and help you achieve your financial goals. Unlocking the power of stock options. Trading, let's dive into the essentials of stock options trading. At its core, options trading involves buying and selling contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a set price before a specific date. It's built on three main pillars: understanding the basics, choosing the right strategies, and managing risks effectively. First up, understanding the basics. Options come in two types: calls and puts. A call option gives you the right to buy a stock at a set price, known as the strike price, while a put option gives you the right to sell a stock at the strike price. For example, if you buy a call option with a strike price of $1.50 and the stock price rises to $1.60, you can buy the stock at $1.50 and potentially sell it at $1.60, making a profit. It's also important to know about option premiums, the price you pay for the option contract, and how factors like time and market changes impact these premiums. A great way to start is with paper trading, which means using virtual money to practice buying and selling options without any real financial risk. You can use online platforms like Investopedia's simulator or brokerages that offer paper trading accounts. This helps you learn the process, try out different strategies, and build confidence before investing real money. Track your trades, review the results, and adjust your strategies based on what you learn to improve your approach. Next, let's talk about choosing the right strategies. Different option strategies work best in different market conditions and for various risk levels. Some common strategies include covered calls, protective puts, and straddles. Covered calls involve selling call options on stocks you already own, which can provide extra income but limit your profit potential. Protective puts involve buying put options to protect against potential losses in your stock holdings. Straddles involve buying both a call and a put option on the same stock with the same strike price and expiration date, which can profit from big price moves in either direction. Also, strategies like iron condors and butterflies can be used in low volatility markets, while more aggressive strategies like naked options are for speculation. To find the best strategy for you, think about your market predictions, how much risk you can handle, and your investment goals. Managing risks effectively is crucial in options trading. The leverage options provide can increase both gains and losses, so managing risk is essential. Diversify your options portfolio across different stocks and strategies to spread out risk. Use tools like stop-loss orders and position sizing to limit potential losses. Regularly check your positions and adjust your strategies based on market changes and performance. Techniques like delta hedging can help balance your portfolio. Staying disciplined and informed will help you navigate the complexities of options trading and protect your investments. By focusing on these principles and strategies, understanding the basics, choosing the right strategies, and managing risks effectively, you can start mastering options trading. It requires dedication, strategic planning, and continuous learning. But the rewards can be significant. Engaging in continuous education through books, courses, or mentorship can greatly improve your trading skills and decision-making process. Now, I want to hear from you. What intrigues you the most about options trading, and what concerns do you have? Drop a comment below and let's discuss how we can navigate these opportunities and challenges together. And stay tuned because later in the video, we'll share success stories of traders who've achieved significant gains through options trading. Real life wins. Let's talk about Tom Sosnoff, co-founder of Thinkorswim and tastytrade. Tom's innovative approach to options trading education and his emphasis on probability-based trading strategies have helped countless traders improve their skills and achieve their financial goals. Tom Sosnoff's success story is not just about his credentials, it's about his transformative impact on the trading community. By creating platforms that simplify options trading and providing comprehensive educational resources, Tom has made options trading accessible to many. His focus on market probabilities and practical trading strategies has enabled traders to make informed decisions and achieve consistent and substantial gains. What sets Tom apart is his relentless dedication to empowering traders with the tools and knowledge they need to succeed. Through engaging content and interactive learning, he has revolutionized the way people approach options trading, making it not only understandable, but also highly rewarding for traders of all levels. To wrap things up, stock options trading offers incredible opportunities for those willing to put in the work. From profiting in any market condition to implementing sophisticated trading strategies, the benefits are immense. Remember, mastering options trading requires strategic planning, risk management, and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other videos on trading and investing. Share your options, trading experiences, or questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies on achieving financial success. Until next time, keep blazing that trail to financial independence.